Now Infinity is transforming the businesses of accountants, financial planners, and SMSF strategists by making them paperless, compliant, more efficient, and in turn, more profitable. How? By using Now Infinity's document generation and strategy implementation feature on the Now Infinity platform. Now Infinity puts the power of the most efficient tax and superannuation document generation in your hands via our intuitive and simple process automation platform. Watch how you can establish a discretionary trust in minutes using Now Infinity and Zero Practice Manager. To begin, log into your Zero Practice Manager platform and from the dashboard, select New Job. This will take you to the Jobs tab as follows. Using the drop-down menu, select the appropriate client. From the Template field, use the drop-down menu to select the appropriate document template. You can see from the additional fields, allowing you to select Start and Finish Date. The High Priority field allows you to define the priority status. You also have the ability to assign the task to an appropriate staff member. Once all the required fields have been entered, simply press the Save button. Under the green Tasks tab, you can select Staff Allocation to assign specific duties to different staff members. To begin the first task, click on the blue Go to Now Infinity hyperlink that will take you seamlessly to the Now Infinity platform. Enter your email address and password to log into the Now Infinity platform. Once you are logged in, you can see immediately that you have 15 current jobs in progress. To find jobs that have been archived or put on hold, simply click on the corresponding tabs. Begin by clicking the down arrow to show all tasks associated with this job. You can see that there are 2 tasks listed here. To begin creating the discretionary trust, press the green Establish DT button. You will be taken to the all-comprehensive document generation section of the Now Infinity portal, which will automatically open the appropriate template. Immediately, you can see under the name of the document type important information about this particular document and things to be mindful of. You can also see a hyperlink. This 15-page resource covers everything you need to know about discretionary trusts. Topics include what it is, why it is required, process of setting up a trust, benefits and limitations, recommendations on ideal trustee, settlor, beneficiaries, traps to be aware of throughout the process, as well as useful case studies. Now Infinity's integration with Zero Workflow enables our inbuilt intelligence to share all corresponding information for this discretionary trust between the 2 systems. Notice how the Now Infinity document template has been pre-populated for your convenience without you having to type a single thing. Had you been required to type in the data, you can view useful notes relating the name of trust and jurisdiction by hovering over the blue information icon. Can you see the green Next Step button and Save and Complete Later option? You will notice that both of these appear on each tab throughout the form, so you have the flexibility to end the session and pick up where you left off at a later time. To proceed to the second tab, please press the green Next button. This Appointers tab is also pre-populated for your convenience. To add additional successors, select Yes using the drop-down box and enter the relevant details. Alternatively, you can select from the suggested options. To avoid typing in the address for the successor, you can select the blue text Use Existing Address, which will provide a list of previously saved addresses for you to pick from. Click on the relevant suggestion and the address details will be immediately entered for you. To remove a successor, simply click the Remove option here. To proceed, press the green Next Steps button. The third tab is for Trustee Details, which you can see is already pre-populated for you. Hover over the blue information to see the message about Trustee. You can see the option to add or remove director is also available. To proceed, press the green Next Step button. The fourth tab is for the primary beneficiary's details. Use the drop-down box option to add beneficiaries as required. Otherwise, press the green Next Step button to proceed. We are now on the final Ready to Submit tab. The green Preview button will show you the data you have entered on one page should you wish to double-check for errors. By ticking the box next to Register the ABN TFN for this SMSF, you can use Now Infinity's direct link to ASIC and the ABR website. Select the green Complete button and the Now Infinity system will process your document. You can see that a discretionary trust has been set up for Abbott Family Trust in minutes. Your completed discretionary trust document will be emailed directly to your email to enable you to send straight to your client or upload it to your respective CRM. Here you can see the completed file has been generated as a PDF. By clicking the icon beside the Download All option in blue, you can save the document listed here. No need to print this document as it is all available on the completed section of your Now Infinity platform for later viewing or to be accessed by the rest of your team. The green Amend the Document button option allows you to fix any spelling or other errors should this be required. Beside the ABN TFN is a blue Start option. Press the down arrow beside the Start button to take advantage of Now Infinity's integration with ASIC and the ABR website. Use our inbuilt intelligence system to pre-populate not only the client details, but also pre-select all the appropriate answers to speed up the entire process, whilst giving you the assurance that the correct answers have been provided. Why would you risk having to log in later to the ABR website and be uncertain about the correct answers when Now Infinity provides a safe and effective way that takes the guesswork out? Now Infinity's DocuSign integration allows you to get online signatures for SMSF documentation from individuals throughout the world. The signatures are legally binding in Australia, and the process will save an immense amount of time, effort, and cost in getting transactions completed. To begin using DocuSign, simply press the down arrow beside the blue Send option. Our intuitive system has identified the 4 individuals that need to sign the document. Simply add the email for each respective individual and press the green Send button, and each recipient will receive an email via our DocuSign system. To begin, the individual simply clicks the yellow View Documents button. They will be logged into the following page that lists the name of the document. In order for the yellow Review Document button to become active, the individual needs to tick the box that provides their consent to use electronic records and signatures. On the right-hand side are the individual pages listed in a single column, should the client wish to read each page. At the top, you can also see the option to download the document, print, or select more for the option to sign on paper. The client simply needs to press the yellow Start button to begin. To continue, simply press the yellow Next button. As you can see, the first signing point is on page 23. The fact that our intuitive system takes you to the required signing spot means the reader is not required to flick through 23 pages to find it. Never worry about Sign Here stickers falling out or being missed. The individual simply clicks on the Sign Here arrow. The individual can update with their details. As you will notice, DocuSign created an auto signature for me. The individual can choose to click on the blue Change Style option to pick from over 10 different versions. Alternatively, the user has the option to draw their own version from scratch. If the user is on a desktop, they can draw a signature using their mouse or using their finger if they are on an iPad or smartphone. By clicking the yellow Adopt and Sign button, the user is agreeing that the signature and initials will be the electronic representation for all purposes when they, or their agent, use them on documents, including legally binding contracts, just the same as a pen and paper signature or initial. Pressing the yellow Sign button will take the user to the next required signing point. In this instance, it is on the following page. Again, the individual simply presses the yellow Sign Here option. Once they have selected the yellow Confirm Signing tab, DocuSign will adopt the saved signature and finalize the document. Return to the Now Infinity tab and press the Refresh option for an update on the signing status. You will be notified once each party has signed and completed the document electronically. You will also be able to see who is holding up the process to follow them up directly. Make your office paperless using Now Infinity's integration with DocuSign and never waste time or money sending documents via snail mail again. Once you refresh the page, you will notice that the first task, Document Generation, Establish the Discretionary Trust, has been ticked off as completed.